Tracy Adventures, A Day at the Carnival. Finding the Clown. Tracy is so excited for her first stop at the carnival, to visit the clown. She follows the directions on her map and looks around, but she can't seem to find him. Where could he be hiding? To help Tracy out, we'll need to learn a few more commands. Let's take a look. The circle command will tell Tracy to draw a circle with a certain radius value. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center to the circle's outer edge. We also have some commands to control the trail that Tracy leaves as she moves. If we call the pen up command before telling Tracy to move, she will not leave a trail behind her. This is like if we held a pencil in our hand and moved it, but never actually touched it to the paper. If we want her to start leaving a trail, we can use the pen down command to have her start drawing a trail. Note that we don't put any numbers inside the parentheses in these commands. If we want to draw a shape and fill it in, we can use the begin fill and end fill commands. We call the begin fill command before drawing our shape, which is a circle in this example, and when Tracy finishes the shape, the circle will be filled in with whatever color was chosen. Use the end fill command to stop Tracy from filling in shapes. Note that Tracy will color the inside of the shape whether the pen is up or down. Note, the character we use between the two words, begin and fill and end and fill, is called an underscore. This character can be found near the top of your keyboard near the numbers and the backspace or delete button. To type the underscore symbol, hold down the Shift key and press this button. Now, let's use these commands to help Tracy find the clown.